welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're at the Home2 Suites by Hilton at Citiplace, Baton Rouge, and we're going to give you a tour of our room. So our room number is 526, and I just want to point this out. Somebody had asked me to show the fire exits, and there's no numbering or anything like that. It just says exit/stairs. But I'm showing you that because when we get into the room, you'll see why this room is unique. So we come into the room, and this is not a standard Home2 Suites studio suite. We've stayed in one of those before, and it wasn't like this. So we'll look at the evacuation map here, and I was able to pre-pick the room, in the online check-in. We're in 526, so we're on the top floor, and I saw this room here was one of the options, and you can see that that's a very large room, whereas all of these, and some of these were also the same. They were labeled as king bed studio suite, but this room and this room, I guess because of the stairs, are different. Because you can tell these are not a two-room setup, it's just a studio. So I think we hit the jackpot with this room. So to our standard safety features, we have the peephole, we have a mechanical deadbolt, do not disturb sign, and a latch. And I think this switch shuts everything off or something like that, but everything's very well lit. When you come into the room, there's a little closet here with a curtain on it with nothing in it, because this is the living room closet. We have a little kitchen area with a full-size, well, like an apartment freezer. It's kind of narrow, it's not real tall, but that's a pretty good size freezer. And then a decent sized refrigerator. And we have the countertop here with the sink. In the sink we have hot and cold running water. And this is actually a disposal here. I found flipping switches. And there's a light under here, and I don't know whether that's part of the microwave. A surface light, look at that. So we get even more light. And typically there would be a stove under the microwave, but they don't have a stove here. So we have an array of plates, bowls, 6 of each. Over here we have 6 mugs and 5 glasses. I guess one got broken. An ice bucket. This, I guess, is a paper towel rack, even though there's no paper towels. And we have a dishwasher. And unlike the last extended stay that we stayed in, nothing is beeping. Under here we have the garbage can, a pot holder, a handy scrub sponge, 2 of them actually, and it's like those Scotch-Brite type sponges, some dish detergent. I'm surprised there's no Sinkerator. I'm surprised there's no paper towels under here though. We have the small coffee maker, 1 cup or 2 cup, and the different coffees and sugar and sweetener. And this is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. I don't know why they do this. They could just put out packets. I know they're not going to fill those up with salt and pepper. It's just not very useful. We have a full array of silverware, measuring cups, can opener, spatulas and that sort of thing. I guess it's if you're cooking in the microwave, since there's no stove. And this is some sort of microwave dish, Corningware, cutting board, colander, a toaster. So this is a pretty well equipped kitchen, as long as you can cook what you're trying to cook in the microwave. And this doesn't appear to be a convection oven, it's just a microwave. Moving on into the living area, we have a desk that rolls out. There's a lot of work surface area here. You can use that as a table, or you can use that as an extended desk with the chair over there. We have a little two-top table here with a telephone on it. The air condition is controlled by thermostat. Got it off right now so it's not making noise. We have a picture here with a commemorative postage stamp. The air conditioner is a PTAC unit in the wall right here under the window, and that's a blackout shade on that window, so that will make it completely dark in here. Then we have quite a large television, and for such a narrow room, I mean, it's a large room, but it's narrow. When you're sitting on this couch right here, you're not very far from the TV. It's almost oversized, but I'm not going to complain about that. Then under the television, you have extra bedding there, some shelf space, 3 large drawers. And this right here is an ergonomic type chair with the netting or webbing on the back. A little table over here has this little pull-out piece. And the lamp here has outlets on it. And that's a network cable, a network jack? No, it's USB. And then you got 3 outlets right there behind it that you can access. It's a small couch, and it is a pull-out. That's what that bedding was for. And the artwork is local. This is a picture of the old state capitol, being that this is Baton Rouge. And this is a bird. So everything looks relatively new and very clean. So now we're going to move on into the bedroom. And here we have a king-size bed. At the nightstand, there's 2 outlets, 2 USB ports, a telephone. I guess that's good because both of these are taken up. Over on this side, there's a table with a lamp. And here we have an outlet and a USB port. And down there, it's a double duplex outlet that's only using one of them, so you get 3 more places to plug in down there. On this wall over here, we have another curtain closet. And here we have the hangers, which they can be taken off, but they can't be used anywhere else because it's got that little bitty hook on it. Ironing board and iron, and a luggage rack. And then another PTAC unit in here, controlled by a separate thermostat. Then we have the same television that we had in the other room, another big television. This is just a duplicate of the furniture in there. And a full-length mirror over here. So I gotta say that this hotel has the most storage and the most surface area of any hotel that I remember ever staying in. So then we have the bathroom, and we have a large lighted mirror, and there's two doors to the bathroom. One comes from the living room and the kitchen in that area, and the other one comes in here from the bedroom. So, wow. Down here, we have our towels, hand towels, washcloth. Another hand towel and washcloth here in the Neutrogena shampoo and conditioner. Rejuvenate milled bath soap. Another sink with hot and cold running water. Drawer, that's a dummy there. And this is going to have the hair dryer in it. Have an American Standard toilet with a right-hand flush. I don't know if I've ever seen a toilet with a flusher on the right in this kind of configuration. And we have the stand-up shower. It's a bath mat there, and they give us conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo. It says 0%, I guess is how that's supposed to read. Naturally kind formulation. So let's check out the shower head. Shower head looks to be in good shape. And it functions like a new shower head. It's got a couple of different spray patterns. So now we're going to take a look at the view outside the window, and this is what it looks like at night. And that is Interstate 10 right there. And as you can see, there's another hotel right across the parking lot. And there's 3 hotels right in a row here that are all owned by Hilton. At one time, there was actually 4. So now we'll take a look at this in the daylight. And this is what it looks like in the daylight. So we have a nice view of I-10 right there. We're under tornado watch right now, so there's some dark clouds coming in. But this concludes our video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.